were able to bring the artist series back, which was really, really cool. And not just one, but several different amazing visual artists were able to work with us for an entire week, and that was the experience of a lifetime.
My name is Daniel Leon Davis.
My name is Muna Malik.
My name is Florian Koenigsberger.
My name is Khalif.
This year's artist series was really an attempt at bringing in more current and younger Black and brown artists to the community and to give the students more of a chance to see themselves in the artists that came in, as opposed to perhaps seeing an older, more established artist. These artists were very, very new in their career and very just getting out into the world. So they're really close to the students in age and also perhaps more in ideologies.
It was just such a unique experience to have artists who have already asked the questions that I have to ask myself right now, trying to be an artist and trying to make it in my industry and field. For them to be looking at the stuff that I do and be like, wow, like I wish I had it figured out to the point that you had it figured out when I was your age. But to still see how successful they are compared to those statements, it was just like an awe-inspiring experience.
This year for the artist series, there were many events organized. We had two conversations where basically two artists would be on stage and they would just have a conversation with one another. Also, there's a keynote speech that one of the artists, Muna Malik, gave. And then we also had a painting workshop that Muna led, and also a hip-hop performance by Khalif.
It really helped hearing like Muna and Florian talk on stage about their career paths and that they didn't stick to one career their entire lives. Yeah, I was just really inspired by that, and like, okay, I don't have to stick to just one job all the time. I can explore.
Something that really stuck out to me with Muna is that she not only highlighted her achievements, but she also paid tribute to her failures. In fact, she didn't really see them as failures as much as springboard to the next thing.
I heard from so many non-studio art majors here that they had so much fun at the art workshop that they were given a chance to do art on campus and not just in the standard class.
Daniel brought to our attention that Khalif would be performing at the end of the artist series. So he said, hey, Khalif is going to be doing a live show, and we have 3 dancers on our team. What do you guys think about a collaboration? And we were like, are you serious? Like, that would be so, so cool.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and... I so weight. My everyday life is a fat case. Couple of monkeys up on my back and I carry them all with a dead weight.
I think my favorite moment was the last day on Friday when Khalif was on stage performing about being an immigrant and being from the hood, and that's like what my family's gone through, what I've gone through. It was just really liberating, just dance and be myself with my friends and my senior art friends and just celebrate with them for who we are.
I think just seeing everyone's faces when we kind of went on stage and like seeing our friends in the audience, that was so fun. It was so like cathartic to be able to do something that was kind of cool. Like, we don't often get the chance to work with Grammy Award winning artists, right?
For the students of color here, it was so great to see these people, because students of color are underrepresented in fine arts. If you look at statistically at the numbers of majors in music, dance, and art and theater, it needs to be much better.
I think the thing that impacted me the most was the fact that the artists were people of color. As a person of color myself, I could really connect to that. Just seeing them so well established in the art world already, I feel like I got a lot from that.
Honestly, just having a place to be myself, truly, as a Mexican woman and alongside my friends too, they're also people of color. It was just like a moment of like liberation for us during this week, and seeing people that look like us on stage.
I think it's really important to host these events for not only art students, but it's good for people in other disciplines to see other people they can relate to.
Well, just talking with my senior friends, they were just telling me like they feel so much better about graduation and what they're gonna do after college from having these conversations with the artists and being at these events.
Seeing them and seeing all the intersections of them being together like really like inspired me to want to build that for myself with other people around on campus.